Intro. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic that has become increasingly important in the world of machine learning and data science: building an automated AI model deployment pipeline with continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. If you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or software developer, you know how critical it is to ensure that your models not only perform well in development but also in production. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create a robust pipeline that automates the entire process of deploying AI models, from development to production. So, let's get started. The importance of CI/CD in AI deployment. First, let's talk about why CI/CD is essential, especially in the context of machine learning. The traditional software development lifecycle consists of stages like development, testing, and deployment. However, machine learning introduces additional complexities. Models require not only code but also data, which can change over time. This means that when we deploy a model, we need to think about the underlying data, the model's performance, and the environment in which it runs. Continuous integration, or CI, allows developers to merge their changes back to the main branch frequently. It ensures that the code is always in a deployable state, which is crucial in a fast-paced environment where models can be updated regularly based on new data or improved algorithms. Continuous deployment, or CD, takes this a step further by automating the release process. This means that every change that passes the tests can be automatically deployed to production, leading to quicker iterations and faster delivery of new features or improvements. Now, let's break down the components of a CI/CD pipeline for AI model deployment. Understanding the CI/CD pipeline for AI. 1. Version control. The first step in our pipeline is version control. Using a version control system, like Git, is essential to managing code, data, and model versions. Each change in the codebase can be tracked, and you can revert to previous versions if needed. It's also advisable to use branching strategies that help separate features, bug fixes, and releases. 2. Automated testing. Once we have our code versioned, the next step is automated testing. This includes unit tests for the code and integration tests that ensure different parts of your application work together. For machine learning, you may also want to include model evaluation tests that check whether the model's performance metrics meet the defined thresholds. 3. Building the model. After the testing phase, the pipeline should automatically trigger the model training process. This typically involves pulling data from your data repository, cleaning it, and then training the model on it. It's essential to have clear documentation of the training process, including the hyperparameters used, the training procedures, and the evaluation metrics. For model registry, once the model is trained, it should be stored in a model registry. This allows you to keep track of all your models, their versions, and their metadata. You can think of a model registry as a central hub where you can manage your models, make them discoverable for team members, and even facilitate the deployment process. 5. Deployment. The next phase in the pipeline is deployment. This is where the model is moved from the registry to the production environment. Deployment can take various forms, such as batch processing or real-time inference via APIs. It's vital to ensure that the deployment process is smooth and that the model is exposed to the necessary resources it needs to perform effectively. 6. Monitoring and logging. Post-deployment, monitoring the model's performance is crucial. This includes tracking its accuracy and other performance metrics over time. Additionally, logging requests and responses can help in diagnosing issues when they arise. Monitoring tools can alert you if the model's performance drops, allowing you to take corrective actions quickly. 7. Feedback loop. Lastly, don't forget about the feedback loop. Gathering user feedback and analyzing model predictions can help you identify areas for improvement. This insight can feed directly back into your development process, allowing you to refine your model continuously. Technologies and tools you'll need. To implement the CI/CD pipeline for AI models effectively, you will need a variety of tools and technologies. Let's discuss some of the most common ones. Version control. Git is the industry standard for version control. Platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket can host your repositories and provide additional CI/CD features. CI/CD tools, Jenkins, CircleCI, Travis CI, and GitHub Actions are popular CI/CD tools that facilitate automation. These tools can detect changes in your repository and trigger workflows based on those changes. Containerization. Docker is widely used for containerizing applications. It ensures that your model runs in the same environment during development and production, mitigating the "it works on my machine" issue. Model registry, MLflow and DVC are examples of tools that can serve as model registries, allowing you to manage model versions and track experiments. Monitoring tools, Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, are excellent for monitoring and logging. They help you visualize your model's performance and track any anomalies that may arise. Cloud platforms, AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure all offer services conducive to deploying AI models, including serverless functions, managed Kubernetes services, and dedicated machine learning platforms. Building your CI/CD pipeline, a step-by-step guide. Now that we understand the components and tools, let's build a CI/CD pipeline step by step. 1. Setting up version control. Start by setting up a Git repository for your project. Create branches for features, bugs, and releases. Ensure that all team members are familiar with Git commands and best practices. 2. Implementing automated testing. Write unit tests for your codebase. Use libraries like PyTest for Python or Jest for JavaScript. For model evaluation, you can use libraries like scikit-learn to check the performance metrics. Integrate these tests into your CI/CD tool so that they run automatically with each commit. 3. Automating model building. In your CI/CD tool, set up a workflow that triggers the model training process. For instance, you can use a YAML file in GitHub Actions that contains steps for fetching data, training the model, and logging the results. 4. Integrating model registry. Once the model is trained, push it to your model registry. You can automate this step in your CI/CD pipeline as well. Ensure that the registry captures the model version, metadata, and evaluation metrics. 5. Deployment strategy. Decide on your deployment strategy. If you opt for real-time inference, set up an API using Flask or FastAPI for serving your model. For batch processing, consider using a cloud service that allows scheduled jobs. Integrate this step into the CI/CD workflow so that your model is automatically deployed after passing tests. 6. Setting up monitoring. Utilize monitoring tools to keep an eye on your deployed model. Set up dashboards to visualize performance metrics and alerts based on predefined thresholds. This will help you identify issues before they affect your users. 7. Establishing a feedback loop. Finally, implement mechanisms to gather user feedback and model performance data. This can be done through logging and analytics tools. Ensure that this feedback is funneled back into your development cycle to facilitate continuous improvement. Conclusion. In conclusion, building an automated AI model deployment pipeline using CI/CD is a powerful way to ensure that your machine learning models are always in a deployable state, leading to faster iterations and improved performance. By implementing version control, automated testing, model registries, and continuous deployment, you can streamline the deployment process and enhance collaboration among team members. Remember that this pipeline is not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tailor it based on your specific needs and the tools you prefer. As you embark on creating your CI/CD pipeline, don't hesitate to iterate and improve based on feedback and changing requirements. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical steps to build your own CI/CD pipeline for AI model deployment. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and machine learning, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Happy building!